a picture? Sure. Okay, smile. Oh, she's really filming me. No, I'm taking a picture. Are you filming me? Okay, let's eat. Oh, shut up. Ew. Shut up. You have an actual baby. She's got the human rabies. She's not meant to be. She's baby. No time brand. What does that really racist? Oh my god, it's so small. Look at the egg. Is it hot? Yeah. And I'm smart. You just break it. Oh, didn't that guy tell you like not to touch it? Wait, yeah, why did you touch it? I'm a chef. Just now you were. I didn't do my hair today, I just went out. Oh, we can tell, girl. Because I woke up late. I feel I'm doing something wrong. I think you're doing something wrong too. Further install it. Is it yakiniku? Oh, a little bit. I think it's because of light. Is it yakiniku? Really sorry. How was it?
It was awesome.
10 out of 10. But the first one was better, I think.
Yeah, first one definitely better.
But I can't even remember it, honestly.
Huh?
I can't really remember it.
It was so long ago.
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah. But animation was oh yeah.
I want this one.
I remember you wanted it before.
Right? And I want this.
Yeah, I was like, wow.
It's shaggy.
That's always another.
Bought yours from Miniso's one.
I didn't buy that.
Oh, they gave to you?
Oh, this
That's
one's
from
cute.
Chikawa.
Why did it build like that? It's so soft. Wait, this is so cute. He looks like a seal. This is his tail.
Forehead.
Forehead is good. Is that a tempura?
I don't know. It's this. It is. It looks like it's.
Bro, this is that scrotum.
Don't say that.
Okay. So it's a
is
bag. No way.
You should get it.
I would sport this actually.
I like the.
They don't have.
The thing is that there's not much space in the bag. Wow, this is crazy,
Is
guys.
it good? Is it good? No, no.
Practical. The head is a bit big.
But that's the good thing about it.
How does the product cycle?
I can't.
Like when you...
Minion.
Oh, that's soft.
Because like my
This can't fit a phone.
no, it's just your phone is big.
My phone is small. I think my phone's smaller than your phone.
You don't know how my phone looks like.
I do know how your phone looks.
How's India?
Welcome. Look at this.
You went
The setting is so nice.
The setting.
It's a...
The microphone.
Fancy.
It's really dirty.
Guys,
It's been in a swamp.
Okay.
what's this?
That's rude.
That you put?
Can I get a seat?
What's up?
Okay.
I saw he just left for the airport.
Actually, you should change his address to Bali. That's where he spends most of the time.
No. Zachary and me. Oh, my memories and I have quite a lot.
What if it's
You want?
But as long as you don't have to
If you don't want, but some nimbin is not so
No, I thought you had one.
right?
Yeah, but
no, I asked for
today,
half,
lah.
I didn't want the full thing.
It's just like one. I don't know the mountain name. Not gonna lie.
Nice.
It's Moa Mountain, I think.
Go hammer.
Moa Mountain.
You made this
Yeah.
yourself. And then there's track.
Oh my god, it doesn't even look like good. Why do you
Really? Does it not?
Big
Yes.
swimming pool.
so nice?
Every day
It's
you
all
can
direct.
go gym, jog.
How many fish do you put inside?
The girls jog like...
Oh, I also put two.
They jog.
Welcome to your crib.
Top floor. Okay, no, okay. Lift, top floor. Whoa, arc.
Wow, that's crazy.
Level.
He spilled butterbeer.
do you mean?
Am I red? I am red.
Really?
Am I not?
It's so cozy.
This chair is amazing.
That's yeah, dude.
See my room?
Not really. What if I drop?
I mean, you won't drop it.
What if I drop myself?
Well, then I'll laugh.
That's rude.
I look redder on your camera.
Thank you. Oh my god! Did you get it?
Color pencil, okay?
Oh my god, I love it, Yvette. This is so sweet. Wow. This is like the nicest picture of cinnamon I have.
Oh my goodness, Yvette.
Did this, Mimi?
Yeah.
Wow, very good.
Okay, turn the
Look
picture.
at the little heart. It's
Cute,
so
right?
cute. Oh, you guys.
Color pencil.
Very talented.
Yeah.
Then you can open a shop of that. Then you
Thank you so much, Yvette.
they line up and
Like what at the bottom? It's moist.
How about we do it with you? The shoe is wearing feet.
It doesn't look like anything though. June, there's already sand in my mouth.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. It's nice.
Yvette is partying. Is the sand tasty, Yvette?
It tastes great. You gotta try some. Come down.
Yum.
Guys, don't leave me.
Get up, buddy.
I don't want to get up. It's so comfy. No way. Actually, I don't want to get up. Don't leave me here. Whoa!
Guys.
Don't test everybody. No, the safety shots. Yo, wait, we are so low.
If I go any lower, you're gonna see red in the water.
Why?
But when you
Oh!
but when you
No.
go in the water, it's like blood out. But then like the blood that's in the
Hey, who's this diva?
I'm
No. Bro, my pants are actually wet. Oh, I'm getting molested by the sea. What the hell do you say? Wait, I'm falling down. Okay, it's recording. Bro, how deep should I go though? Stop talking, man. Whoa.
Wait, can you take it and like record it at the same time?
You can just take from like screenshot.
It looks very bad.
Where the hell is it? It's like, it looks small, but it's really big.
Okay, like I'm okay with them sometimes PDAing, but like sometimes it's like too gross.
Yeah, no, I'm not okay PDA.
Like okay, they're leaning on each other, like their head is fine.
Oh yeah, I guess so.
But like if they're
Yeah, that's
pushing
fine.
on each other, it's kind of gross.
No, and like on the on the escalator, there's always like the guy always groping the woman's back. Oh my god. Like the amount of times I've seen that happen.
Straight. Oh,
Noodles.
I don't know his name. Okay, my box, I got this from Guzman. It's Little G's meal. Really wet and it's a sand food. Yeah, there's sand in my food too.
I think.
Can I get some water?
Oh, don't put me in the water. Bro, that's such a weirdo. Actually, yeah, what are they doing? Yeah. Oh, look, the birds are eating on the trash. Faster,快点！